Scoliosis refers to three-dimensional deformity of the spine which is characterized by lateral curvature with a small amount of rotation of the spine. The person with scoliosis will have a side-to-side curve that look either C or S shape in the spine. Adolescent idiopathic scoliosis is the most common type of scoliosis, and it affects the children between ages 10 to 18. Although the prevalence of scoliosis in Malaysia is only 2.55%, which is comparatively lower than other diseases such as osteoarthritis, early stage of the deformity is usually likely to go unnoticed because of lack of awareness about the abnormal posture and high cost of early screening, and if the scoliosis is left untreated it may not only affect the normal development of spinal growth but also the development, size and shape of the thoracic cage, which in turn may impair the cardiac and pulmonary function of the subject. Thus, early screening process is important for the early detection of the scoliosis in order to prevent progressivity of the scoliosis curve. Currently there are many techniques used in the detection of scoliosis such as observational postural evaluation using plumb line, scoliometer, spinal radiograph and so on. However, the most of them are high cost, time-consuming and need of special skills during evaluation procedure, which had become the major drawback of the early screening process. So, by applying the concept of shifted center of gravity from the midline of the scoliosis subject, this innovation is aimed to design and fabricate a cost-effective device which help to detect the scoliosis on the subject. First, the sensor seat mat which is connected to a computer is placed on any firm chair and the subject is then asked to sit on the chair. When the subject is sitting on the chair, the amount of weight distribution on the left and right side of the body is then recorded by the sensor and the result is then shown on the computer screen. Lastly, by compare the difference of weight distribution between the left and right side with the normal reading, it will help to conclude that whether the subject is having scoliosis or not, and thus it can be used in the school, clinic or other public places for the early detection of the scoliosis.